Hi, this is Sunil Nair. I am an experienced digital marketer with a passion for helping companies achieve their marketing goals. I hold a bachelor degree in commerce. I have around 18 years of hands-on experience in digital marketing. Throughout my career, I developed a wide range of skills in different areas of digital marketing. I have a strong background in SEO and SEM. I am well versed in social media marketing, email marketing, content marketing, and web development. I have worked with various digital marketing tools and platforms, including Google Analytics, AdWords, Facebook ads, and MailChimp. One of my proudest achievement was managing a successful social media campaign that increased the brand awareness and engagement over 50%. I was also able to achieve a 30% increase in website traffic through effective SEO strategies and optimized PPC campaigns. This success was driven by my ability to analyze data, adapt quickly, and collaborate effectively with cross-functional teams. As a digital marketer, I understand the importance of communication and teamwork. I enjoy collaborating with others to develop and execute successful marketing campaigns. I am always eager to learn and share my knowledge with others. Uh, and uh, uh, and the last, I believe that my skills and experience and achievement makes me an ideal candidate for this digital marketing role. I'm excited about the opportunity to bring my expertise to the company and help drive its marketing success. Thank you for considering my application. Thank you.